Next program we're gonna see is extracting the alphabets and numbers from a alphanumeric input. So I'm going to consider S as a variable and I'm going to give some input. Okay, it could be a combination of both alphabets and numbers. The entry might ask you to extract only the alphabets or only the numbers present in the input. Okay, so what we're going to do is like we're going to use the for I in. Yes, we already know that this will extract the each characters one by one, right? So this is the thing, and we can use the if I. Okay, we have one more inbuilt method called is alpha. What it will do means it will extract only the alphabets present in the input. I'm going to use the join method dot join, and I'm going to use this within inside the join method. Okay, what it will do means what are the alphabets it will filter and it will join. We gonna print it within the print. I'm going to print it. You can see it will show the syntax error. So what is syntax error? It's invalid sense because I'm not declared anything right here. I need to declare the I again. Now I'm going to run it. You can see it will give the output of BEAU. What are the numbers present inside? It will be omitted and only it will display the alphabets. Same thing we're gonna do for fetching or extracting only the numbers. I'm going to use the same join method dot join. I'm going to use the variable called I. You can also use any other variable. I'm just, for example, I'm just using that for I as a variable for I in. Yes, S is the input variable, right? So I'm going to use, and if I dot, right now here we're going to use that inbuilt method called is digit. Okay, so I'm going to run it. Okay, you can see for the first line of this thing we got the alphabets. For the second line we got the numbers.